Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A serene indoor space that seamlessly blends with nature through large glass windows overlooking a lush garden. Inside, the wooden floor glows warmly in the natural sunlight streaming in, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. An elegant mid-century modern lounge chair in rich orange leather sits on a simple rug, perfect for relaxation or reading. The room is filled with an abundance of potted plants of various sizes and types, enhancing the connection with the greenery outside. Bookshelves line the wall, adding warmth and intellectual charm to the setting. Overall, the space feels peaceful, natural, and thoughtfully designed, offering a perfect balance between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Modern minimalist homes surrounded by lush greenery, blending harmoniously with nature. The structure features a sleek rectangular design with large floor-to-ceiling glass walls, allowing seamless views of the natural surroundings. The roof is covered with greenery, enhancing the eco-friendly design. A wooden deck leads to the entrance, crossing over a small pond with rocks and plants, creating a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere. Inside, the warm lighting highlights a cozy living area with contemporary furniture and an open dining space. Outside, a seating area with low cushions and a small table invites relaxation beside the garden. The entire setting exudes tranquility, modern elegance, and a deep connection to the natural environment. Modern house surrounded by lush greenery, blending seamlessly with nature. The architecture features a flat roof, expansive glass walls, and warm interior lighting that creates a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The home's open design connects the indoor living spaces to the outdoors, where a wooden deck extends around the structure. A beautifully landscaped garden with stone pathways, potted plants, and a mix of rocks and greenery adds to the serene ambience. The living rooms inside are visible through the glass walls, furnished with comfortable sofas in neutral and earthy tones. The combination of natural materials, modern design, and soft lighting gives the home a harmonious, inviting, and tranquil feel. A charming rustic stone cottage covered in green ivy, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The house has dark wooden shutters framing the windows, with warm yellow light glowing from inside, giving it a homely feel. A wooden door at the center is flanked by potted plants and lantern lighting above, enhancing the welcoming entrance. The small garden is filled with lush greenery, and a stone pathway leads to the front door. Wooden benches are placed on each side of the yard, inviting relaxation and quiet moments in the peaceful setting. The mix of stone walls, climbing vines, and natural elements gives the scene a storybook-like, tranquil charm. A stunning modern tropical-style home with a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The house features large floor-to-ceiling glass walls that open directly to a lush garden, allowing natural light to flood the space. The interior combines warm wooden ceilings, stone accents, and sleek contemporary furniture, creating a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The living and dining areas flow openly into the kitchen, all highlighted by soft ambient lighting. Outside, a beautifully landscaped garden with tropical plants, large stone pavers, and a sandy relaxation area adds to the tranquil retreat vibe. A cushioned lounge chair and potted greenery further enhance the inviting outdoor setting, making the home feel like a perfect balance between modern design and natural serenity. Luxurious two-story modern tropical villa surrounded by lush greenery. The house features expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls framed in sleek black, seamlessly blending the indoor and outdoor spaces. Warm wooden ceilings and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere, while contemporary furnishings add elegance and comfort. The ground floor opens to a stylish outdoor lounge and dining area, complemented by landscaped gardens with stone pathways, succulents, and decorative plants. A cozy fire pit and seating arrangement enhance the garden's relaxing vibe. On the upper floor, large windows reveal softly lit interiors with a mix of modern design and natural charm. This home beautifully harmonizes architecture and nature, offering a serene and sophisticated retreat. Cozy two-story wooden house surrounded by lush greenery, blending harmoniously with nature. The exterior walls are partially covered with climbing plants, creating a natural, eco-friendly aesthetic. Large glass sliding doors connect the indoors with the outdoors, allowing plenty of natural light to flow inside. On the ground floor, there is a wooden deck with lounge chairs and potted plants, offering a relaxing outdoor space. One room features a visible bed, giving the house a warm and inviting atmosphere. The upper floor has more windows and a balcony area decorated with additional potted plants. The garden is beautifully landscaped with stone pathways and dense greenery, enhancing the serene and rustic charm of the home. Charming rustic cabin nestled in the woods, surrounded by tall trees with autumn foliage in warm shades of yellow and orange. The cabin has a cozy wooden exterior with stone accents and a pitched roof, giving it a warm, inviting look. Large glass doors and windows allow a soft glow of light to shine from inside, enhancing the welcoming atmosphere. In front of the cabin, there is a circular stone fire pit with a lively fire burning, surrounded by Adirondack chairs, perfect for gathering and relaxation. The natural stone patio and lush greenery add to the rustic charm, creating an ideal retreat for peaceful evenings in nature. A stunning modern house seamlessly integrated with nature. The home features a sleek, flat roof covered in lush greenery, blending beautifully with the surrounding forest. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls open up the living space, offering unobstructed views of the vibrant garden outside. The interior is warm and inviting, with an orange sofa set as the centerpiece, complemented by earthy tones and minimalist decor. In the foreground, a serene garden with stone pathways, lush plants, and a koi pond filled with colorful fish creates a peaceful retreat. The combination of modern architecture and natural landscaping gives the home a tranquil, harmonious atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and connection with nature. A stunning rustic modern cabin set in the middle of a serene autumn forest. The house is beautifully designed with a combination of natural stone and rich wooden siding, giving it a warm, cozy charm. A tall stone chimney rises from the roof, while large glass windows reflect the glowing interior lights, creating an inviting atmosphere. In the foreground, a peaceful pond with smooth rocks and floating lily pads stretches out, reflecting the colors of the house and the surrounding trees. A small cascading waterfall flows into the pond, enhancing the tranquil and picturesque setting. The landscape is carefully arranged with lush greenery, shrubs, and vibrant autumn foliage, deep orange, red, and golden leaves fill the forest, contrasting beautifully with the greenery of pine trees. The entire scene exudes harmony between architecture and nature, blending modern comfort with the timeless beauty of the wilderness. It feels like the perfect retreat for relaxation and quiet living amidst the splendor of fall.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.